Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi connection problem in Vivo V23e. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Wi-Fi problem in Vivo V23e or Vivo V23e 5G, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.